Hello, it's Marcus Anderson, and this is my discussion post for week 11. So, how do you create a positive communication climate? I'd say in person, you want to make sure that the other person knows that you're attentive and that you're listening. Paying attention and keeping eye contact, I think, is good because that way uh, you let them know that you are paying attention, you're engaged in the conversation. Good body language, you should always uh, avoid the appearance that you don't want to be there, that you're not, engaged and interested in what's being discussed. Uh, I, I would avoid using be reaffirming, but avoid using terse and chopped language. It annoys me when people you're trying to tell them explain something and they're saying yep, yep, yep. That just means just like I mean that kind of gives the impression that you really don't care. That's just like yeah, let's get this conversation over with. So avoid stuff like that and kind of interject when prompted and be affirming and complimentary to what's being said and try to understand the viewpoint of whoever's the discussion is with. I think those are good things that would make a positive environment for communication in person. Virtually, I don't have a whole lot of experience with virtual communication. I'm not engaged in virtual communication much at all. But I would say if you're doing something like FaceTime or Zoom or something, I would make sure the environment was conducive to having a good conversation and that wouldn't some present an awkward situation. And I guess if you're on like some kind of social media and doing via text or instant message or direct message or something like that, I think it would probably be best to again not uh, by the language you use in the the conversation, not to be terse and too you know uh, dismissive with your responses. I think that's probably the best thing I could think of there. And can't wait to hear what everyone else has to say. And that's my discussion post for week 11. Thanks. Bye.